Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on OnePlus Nord 5. So first, open the Wi-Fi settings and disable and enable Wi-Fi once again. Now, click on the Wi-Fi you're connected with, disconnect and forget. Now wait for it to load once again, click and type in the password. If it's still not working, then try to restart your phone and the router. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.